Audio Jungle.
Morning, if your people, your business team goes, then they immediately switch off the main switch and again switch on so that the system will go back to the original system. That is one thing. Two type of cheating was there. So this is how they operated, and the same person who was already caught in 2014 by us, Sibu Thomas and Joe Joseph. So they were involved in this scam. So and like just that day in the net I was searching. I think similar gangs were also apprehended in UP, Punjab and all. So 2018 the new software was installed in all the patrols all over the country it seems. So after that again these people waited for some time, understood the entire system, and then again in the 2019 they have started this thing. We have busted in these two states, but we don't know how many states they have installed this chip and how many customers they must have cheated. So just we wanted to understand that how that your business teams work and how we can coordinate to ensure that there is no cheating. So that in future at least I think these people they are experts. So law will take its own course of action. This time we are going to some stringent actions. We are going to apprehend them and also in PD Act. But still there is always a scope because after 3-4 years somebody might take up their technology and try to do it. So how to have a foolproof system so that the consumers are safeguarded.
This was never there earlier. And another part is the metering unit and the control logic is all sealed under weights and measures, normally in all the BUs, but not the display portion. What we were able to see the other day when you were doing the press conference was something inserted in a place where it is not sealed.
Yes, correct.
And that to an external chip which was pushed and connected in.
So much of bogged down with so much of sales pressure. Yes. I think and third thing is fourth thing is about the CCTVs, that if you can have a common command and control link with us or try to know where there is a mischief is happening, that's one thing. And fifth thing is like the bank system, there's alert, somebody is tampering, a call has to go saying that somebody is tampering. Irrespective whether the official person is doing it or not, at least some call has to go. Let it be confirmed saying that as official person that Vimal has gone with his team to look into that, that's you can rule out, but some alert has to go to that control room saying that your machine is being checked. Somebody has touched your machine.
And also inbuilt camera, so that anybody operating on the machine, his photograph is captured.
Once the automation is out everywhere in full go, 1 year, 2 years, and within the next 1
I
or 2
think
years.
let us not wait for those things to happen. Small things like this camera, like this alert system, I think we should do it because it's involved. Tomorrow, if another scam, not by me or somebody else, if it happens, we'll all be getting backlash. I'm telling you. Entire corporations. Now it has been. Now we are not showcasing anymore. People wanted to write articles. I said no, it's not their fault. But if something goes wrong, if we don't learn the lessons, means then it will be a big disaster for this country. So let us not wait for the long term. Whatever the short terms are there, let us do it short term, like having small geofencing, like cameras inside, like having an alert system, like having a technical team in that vigilance teams. It must not be having so much engineers, but at least once in a year or once in 3-4 months, one engineer has to touch all that thing along with our legal metrology team. We can schedule a team inspection. So at least that foreign body, because we can't depend on that OEM, because ultimately OEM's name is not anywhere in the picture because we don't know. Ultimately you are there, legal metrology and ourselves will be there.
Correct.
Next time also if next time it happens, then they'll blame me also that this CP did not go in depth and see this again another scam has happened.
Yes, sir. We will certainly institutionalize.
I think again institutionalize, and again after 2 months or thing, in between if you want any time, you can always be free to contact us. If you want any suggestions, we are always there. So thank you very much for coming at a very short notice. Actually we wanted to have it tomorrow, but then I said no, let us, because yesterday you had started. Then I said why to delay it? At some other work I got it cancelled and then I scheduled this meeting. Thank you all, and we look forward to the same type of cooperation and coordination in the future also. Thank you.